When you're running a business, managing finances can feel like a full-time job. You're trying to grow, to innovate, to serve your own customers, and then you get bogged down in invoices, expense reports, and bank transfers. It's a reality for millions of entrepreneurs and small business owners. And that's exactly the problem Qonto set out to solve. Launched in 2017, Qonto entered the market with a simple idea: create a financial service for businesses that is as fast and user-friendly as the best consumer apps. They built a platform that's more than just a bank account. It's a full-fledged financial management solution, combining everything from business accounts and cards to invoicing and expense tracking. This all-in-one approach has clearly resonated. Starting in France and expanding across Europe, Qonto has grown at an incredible pace. As of September 2025, Qonto serves over 600,000 customers. Think about that number. It's more than 500,000 businesses, from freelancers and startups to established SMEs, all entrusting Qonto with their financial operations. Their growth isn't just about a good product, though. Qonto has been strategic, acquiring companies like the German fintech Penta to expand its footprint and accelerate its growth. They've also been focused on making business creation easier, even helping to launch 250,000 new companies in their markets. This rapid expansion and deep focus on the customer experience have propelled Qonto to become a leader in the European fintech space. They're not just a digital alternative, they're becoming the go-to financial operating system for a new generation of entrepreneurs. And with a recent application for a French banking license, they're preparing to expand their services even further, offering things like lending and savings. The goal is to reach 2 million customers by 2030, which, given their current trajectory, seems more than possible. The story of Qonto is a powerful example of how a company can find success by identifying a core pain point and building a seamless, customer-centric solution. It's a reminder that even in a traditional industry like banking, a fresh perspective and a focus on user experience can lead to explosive growth.